magandang alala mo kay Kokoy?
Ang tagal kong kilala si Kuya Kokoy. I call him Kuya Kokoy. I've known him since the 1980s. 1988 when I first started working for then Vice President Salvador Laurel, yung kanyang ama. And we've had a lot of parties. I used to go to his house regularly. He would play the piano and we would sing together. And alam nyo, etong mismong room na to, etong La Colina, this was my last time that I was with him.
Anong
It was the
okasyon?
birthday of my mother last January 21, 2025. And then nag-duet pa kami ng yung favorite song namin in Spanish, yung Te Quiero, Te Quiero. Yung De Por qué te estoy queriendo, no me pides la razón. And I even, when he died, I was so grief-stricken. July yun eh. Natatandaan ko.
June.
June, yes, June. That I composed a poem in Spanish for him. Kasi he speaks fluent, we both speak fluent Spanish eh.
Tungkol saan yung poem mo,
Well,
attorney?
parang tribute to a friend who has fallen. I can give you a copy of the poem.
Pero do you also know his song, yung La Vie en Rose in Tagalog? Ang ganda.
Yes, oo. And I have an album of his concert. He had a concert sa Araneta in the 70s. Oo, yes.
Paano kami magkakaroon ng kopya nun, attorney?
Hindi ko alam kung paano album kasi yun eh. I was there sa wake with the Laurel because I'm also very close to the Laurels, si Nicole Asensio, yung kanyang pamangkin, and Denise Laurel. I both know them. I used to carry them when they were little children. So I'm very close to the Laurel family. In fact, one of my next projects would be a slice in the life of Salvador Laurel, si Vice President. I already talked to Peter Laurel about it, and the family is very receptive.
Okay.
Ang working title niya is Higit sa Lahat.
About Doy.
About Doy.
naman.
Yung painful decision niya to step down from running for the presidency, which was his lifelong ambition, to unite the opposition during the 86 snap elections.
Oo. Nora Honor movie.
Thank you, attorney.
Ako,
Face ka dito.
my favorite Nora Honor movie.
Movies na lang sa dami.
Of course, yung Himala, Achay, at saka yung sila ni Kokoy, yung Lollipops and Roses. Oo.
Pati yung Burong Talangkaba na panood.
Oh, yes, yun ang sequel eh, di ba? Oo. Sabi sila, panood ko lahat, Lollipops and Roses at Burong Talangka.
Bakit gusto mo ang Lollipops and Roses?
Hindi, it's light but magandang pagkagawa eh. It's I think it's a good template and it served as a good template for future Filipino rom-coms in the same way na yung Dahil Mahal na Mahal Kita became the template for all modern Filipino rom-coms, yung kay Claudine, di ba? Saka kay Rico yan, saka kay Dieter. Oo.
Sayang no, kasi wala. Pero I think yung mga ibang collectors may copy pa ng Lollipops and Roses at Burong.
Sana. Ako, meron na pong mga Filipino movies na mahirap hanapin. Meron na po nung controversial. Meron ako nung Bomba Star.
So, it's for your personal collection.
Ang hinahanap ko, tinanong ko nga si Vivian Velez eh, yung Paradise Inn. Best picture yun eh sa MMFF, Paradise Inn.
Tataka kung hindi nila iningatan yung mga master copies.
Yun ang problema rito.
Attorney.
Yung walang print noon. Ewan ko, meron yatang yung pneumatic, yung Sakay. Yun, maganda yun. Sakay.
Ano kaya ang pwedeng gawin sa mga nawawalang movies na yan?
Kung wala yung print paano?
Pero yung mga collectors like you, meron.
Ay, thank you partner. Thank you for the support.
Okay.
Grabe to si Tyrone.
Hello po.
Pero tumataba ka partner ha.
Kailangan pa pa yan.
Kailangan pumunta ng province.
Attorney, kailan ba yung concert ni Kokoy sa Araneta? Anong year yun? 80s pa ba yun?
70s.
Okay.
Oo, 70s.
Anong mga kinanta niya doon?
Somebody Waiting, yung Te Quiero, Te Quiero. Ano pa ba? Oo, ano pa ba? Yun nga, yung La Vie en Rose, yun.
Ayun.
Yun ang mga kinanta niya ron.
Si attorney kumakanta din sa BGC.
Nandun ba? Nagpunta si Nora doon?
Yeah, nanood siya.
Nanood.
Yun, at saka, Somebody Waiting.
Oo.
Somebody Waiting. Yung I kept you in my heart
kumakanta din sa Tony
and
sa
every
BBC.
hour that we're apart. Ang ganda eh.
Ganda, no?
Oo.
Maganda ng mga songs.
Di ba,
ano?
Atty?
Someone who cares. Someone who cares. Someone who dares to love you. Yun.
Attorney, naniniwala ka ba na may special friendship yung dalawa? Si Ate Guy tsaka si...
Oh, yes, of course, of course.
Of course. Anong
Hindi.
pagkakaalam mo?
Oh, kasi siyempre, they're both artists at talagang, I think, parang si parang si John Lloyd at saka si Bea Alonso. Hindi naging sila pero may special friendship sila.
So special. As in talagang they...
Oo. Magkasundo sila.
Oo.
Oo.
Si Kokoy kasi nagpunta sa ni Nora. And then,
Nga ba,
umiyak
then
pa raw.
sumunod. Oo
Umiyak.
naman, siyempre naman. Sino ba namang ang tagal nilang pagsasama?
Okay, thank you,
Oo.
Attorney.
Thank you.